Hello and welcome to Viva La Dolce Vita. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite designer handbags. It is a very rare, special fall-winter 2009 Chanel Paris Moscow collection done by one and only one Karl Lagerfeld. This bag was purchased at Neiman Marcus. This bag is not like any Chanel handbags Chanel has ever made. It is a super fine stitched of the monumental red square located in Moscow, Russia. Can you see, guys? This fine detail work is stitched on the finest butterfly black leather within the red square. There are Chanel's intertwining CC logos on the exterior of the building. Along with the fine detail stitching of the red square on the front of the handbag, it has diamond-shaped stitching done throughout the handbag, giving it that classic Chanel look, but with a modern appeal, shiny and puffy lambskin. This handbag is very unique because of the shape of the tote bag. It is a tote bag with zipper that flap on the side. It is a very large interlocking CC are such a beautiful addition to the zipper charm of the bag. It is a new look twisted for the Chanel, but CC design. It also has this little Chanel Paris metallic silver hanging from the zipper, pull as well. It is so cute. The Chanel handles is a new look for Chanel. It showcases the twisted chain. It looks and feels great. It has half smooth silver and half cabled. The interior of the bag is made of the lightweight silver vinyl. It has a Chanel made in Italy tab sewn right in the lining. It also has a very big pocket, which is very nice and it is a decent size. Inside the pocket are very big and many Chanel genuine cards and information pamphlets made on many languages. The Chanel genuine card matches the Chanel sticker, which is placed on the leather tab of the liner. These two numbers should match. This way you will know that this bag is genuine. I will put some links of other online reviews of this bag in the information section below for your viewing pleasure. And also I want to thank you, all of you, for watching this video on the classic and rare Chanel tote bag. Please feel free, come back and see my other high fashion designer videos, which will be showcased with designers like Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci, Dior, Burberry, Valentina, Fendi. Please feel free to write any questions in the comment section below. I look forward to reading your wonderful comments. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.